Wow, there are two layers of water in the glass as if there were an invisible boundary between them. At the bottom, clear water, and on top, bright, colored water. An amazing sight and pure science. The secret isn't magic, but density. Ready to recreate the trick? Heat up some water and add salt until it no longer dissolves. Let the solution cool. This will be our bottom layer. Then, color some regular water and carefully pour it over the salt solution in a thin stream, trickling it down the side of the tilted glass. And look, a boundary appears all by itself, clear and amazing. Salt water is denser than fresh water because the salt molecules add mass without significantly increasing the volume. When the denser liquid is at the bottom and the less dense one is on top, the layers don't mix. Science is not just about formulas, but also about beauty.
Today, we're going on a real ice fishing expedition, but we won't be catching fish, we'll be catching ice cubes. And the most amazing part is that we'll do it using just a piece of string. We place ice cubes in a container and add some water. We soak the string in the water, lay it across the surface of the ice cubes, and sprinkle salt on top. The salt will melt the ice under the string because salt water freezes at a lower temperature. But then the dissolved salt will trickle down and the water around the string will freeze again. That's how the ice glues itself to it. After 1 minute, lift the string. Look how many ice cubes we managed to catch. The ice fishing was a success. Can you make an egg neither sink nor float but remain suspended in the middle of a glass of water? Easily. Place 1 raw egg into each of 3 glasses. Fill the first glass with fresh water. The egg's density is slightly higher than that of fresh water, so it sinks. Thoroughly salt the water, stir, and pour it into the second glass. And the egg doesn't sink. Salt water is denser than the egg, so it floats easily. Pour salt water into the third glass about 2/3 full. Then carefully add fresh water on top, and the egg stops right in the middle. It is supported from below by the dense saltwater solution, while the lighter fresh water above prevents it from rising further. How beautiful! This isn't snow, not frost, but salt crystals that we've grown ourselves. Add salt to boiling water until it no longer dissolves. Submerge a twig in it to soak, then let it dry. Filter the solution and place the prepared twig, now covered with tiny salt crystals, into it. Leave it for several days. As the water cools and evaporates, the excess salt settles onto the twig, creating amazing crystals. Day by day, they grow in size, turning it into an icy wonder, fragile and sparkling. Look at these whimsical ice tunnels, labyrinths, and craters. Let's take some paints and turn a melting ice cube into a vibrant art object. It's incredibly beautiful and mesmerizing. The whole secret lies in a simple law of physics. Plain water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, but create a salt solution and it won't freeze at that temperature anymore. When we sprinkle salt on ice, it dissolves in the thin layer of water on its surface, creating a super concentrated brine. This is what causes the ice to actively melt, forming those very fantastical patterns. Please like if you enjoyed this icy explosion of science and creativity. We're turning a paper snowflake into an icy one and let thousands of tiny crystals sparkle on it. All we need is salt and water. Dissolve salt in warm water. Carefully use a brush to apply the solution to the snowflake and wait for the water to evaporate. And here, it's ready. Look how the snowflake shimmers. It's covered in thousands of sparkling crystals. You can now give this snowflake as a gift to loved ones. The water evaporates and the salt remains on the paper, creating these amazing crystals.